holidays coming up, we might notice that around family, our moods can change. Why are some people more irritable around their families than around, say, their friends or coworkers? Family brings a lot of stress, or it can. Relationships can be complicated. So if you're finding yourself more irritable around your family, it might be a good idea to try and figure out why. What exactly is it being around people that you've grown up with, people that you love, or people that you don't love, that create some tension between the relationships? Some things that make relationships more complicated can be feelings of insecurity. It could be attachment issues. It could be the way that you were raised and the values that you were brought to that don't align with you any longer. Politics are another reason why people sometimes get a little bit irritable around family members, because they feel more comfortable and confident talking about things they may not bring up to a coworker or a stranger. So if you find yourself feeling a little bit more irritable around family this holiday season, take a break. Remember to set boundaries, and you don't have to go anywhere that you don't feel comfortable or safe.